Here's how to fix no NVIDIA GPU is detected on your system. First, open the Start menu, search for Device Manager, and open it. At the top, click Action and select Scan for hardware changes. Once that's finished, open the Action menu again and select Add Legacy Hardware. Click Next, choose Install the hardware that I manually select from a list, and press Next. Select display adapters from this, click Next. Then choose Microsoft from the manufacturer list and select Microsoft Remote Display Adapter. Click Next and then Finish to complete the installation. After that, expand display adapters. Right-click your GPU and select Update Driver. Choose Browse My Computer for drivers, then select Let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer. Select your GPU from the list, click Next, and allow Windows to update the driver. Once the driver has been updated, check whether your NVIDIA GPU is now detected. If you're still having problems, open Start menu again and open Settings. Scroll down on the left and select Windows Update. Click Check for updates and make sure you're running the latest version of Windows. Some Windows updates can also include graphics driver updates, so keeping your system up to date is important. After completing these steps, your NVIDIA GPU should hopefully be detected correctly. And that's it. That's all for this video. Thanks.